In this tutorial, we'll show how to share content as a PDF file in Fusion Data Intelligence or FDI as a workbook author. Sometimes I need to share data visualizations and dashboards with others who may not have access to FDI. In this scenario, I'll export them as a PDF. I'll start with the workbook opened in edit mode. In the toolbar, I'll click Export. This will show the available export options. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the File option. Once File is selected, a dialog opens with export settings. I can click Format to choose from the available options and select PDF. The Include option lets me choose what to export, the current canvas, a selected visualization, or all the canvases in the workbook. If I select Active Canvas, I can modify what's included, like filters and the title for this canvas. This is useful in the event I need the context of titles and filters from a particular canvas. Once I've saved the export, I can view the canvas as a PDF. The PDF can be embedded in emails, shared with others, and printed if needed. Find additional videos in this series and more information on Fusion Data Intelligence resources in the links below.